Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Polo Trend Line, stock reference number 5010. The shape runs from the 5th month 2010 through to the 5th month 2014. It has a CGGB 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. For GGB 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, we have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke rubber steering wheel with no audio controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.